Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Linear Cell Lab. Today I'm going to tell you about the text based functions. So let's start with the video. First function is concat or say concatenate. So how to use this function? You can come here and concatenate. It actually joins to part of the cell. Okay, so how to do that? Go to this cell and then concat. For new Excel version you can see concat, and for older versions you may find that concatenate, the full word. So press tab and here you can see text1, text2. So for that, once I have done this, go to this formula bar, you can see fx, click here. Here I am going to select the text1, which is this one, and then text2, which is this one, and click OK. So you can see now whole name has come up, but the thing is that there is no space here. So for giving the space, how to do that? Again, use the same formula, concat, hit tab, then go to fx and then select text on this one, and then again come here, put a space bar from your keyboard, put a space bar, single space, and then come here on here C and click OK. So now you can see one gap is there, right? Now again come this one and do same formula. Again go to fx and then again select the text this one, and again suppose this time I want to give one dash over here. So how to do that? I am putting one space, then one dash, then again one space, and after that I am going for this text 3, and which I am going to select this one. After that click OK. So you can see it has been formed like this. So that's how we can use the concat. Next we'll be coming to lower, upper and proper functions. So let's move on to that. Now first come to the lower. So what this formula is actually making all the letters in a small letter. So how to do that? We'll just do here like equals lower and then open the bracket. We'll select the cell here, this one, and click OK. So you can see it was in caps, now it has become small letters. So it has become, everything is small now. So if I select this one and drag it down till here, everything is come down to small letter. Okay, now come to this area. This is upper, it was lower and this is upper now, so everything will be converted to caps. So how to do? Equals upper and open the bracket, select the text cell, close bracket, hit enter, everything in now. Here now everything is converted to caps. So again select here, bring it till here, everything is caps now. So that's how it is using. Third is your proper. Proper means if suppose my name is Tom Smith, so Smith S should be bigger letter, that is caps, and again Tom T should be caps. So for that again I'll use the function like proper, open the bracket, select the cell and close it. See, Tom T is caps and his title Smith is S caps. So again drag it till here, every name is changing like that. See, Johnson J is caps, W is Walter, caps. So that's how we can use these formulas. And just removing this, it is not triggered here. So that's all folks for this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet with you soon with another interesting topic of Excel. So thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.